What's up guys, your boy Big A here. So I'm here at a Dollar Tree, so no Hot Wheels, but they did stock up on the Matchbox, so let's take a look. Let's see here. This looks like the Daniel LaRusso car, you know, the one that Mr. Miyagi gave to him for his birthday. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna set it over here for now. Let's see, here we have this pretty cool 2017 Honda Civic hatchback. Not bad. Take that one. Let's see what else we have. There's a bunch of these banana cars. And let's see what we have over here. They have this cool 1984 Toyota MR2. So pretty cool. And here's another one. Oh, check this out, guys. So this one here has the headlights down, and this one here has the headlights up. Very cool. So I'm taking both of them for sure. Alright guys, so over here we have this cool 2010 Mini Cooper S Cabrio in a very cool light violet color. So pick that one up. We have the McLaren 720S Spider. Very cool. I'm gonna take that one for sure. Let's see what else we have. It's about the same. And over here we have this cool Mazda Mx5 Miata Convertible. Nice. I'm gonna pick that one up. And over here we have the cool 2020 Corvette C8 in red. I did a wheel swap on one of these recently, so I'm gonna replace it with a sealed one, and why not take another one? It's a very cool casting. And over here we have a cool 1975 Chevy Caprice. I've never been a big fan of the Caprice, but I'm sure there are people who do like it, so I'm gonna leave it there for somebody else. Let's see, what do we have here? We already got this one. And over here we have the cool 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA shooting brake. Pretty cool. This one has a damaged card, so I'm gonna take this one here. All right. Looks like it's more of the same here. And here they have another Miata. I already have that one. Let's see, what do we have here? We have this cool Honda Civic. I believe I already picked this one up, so I'm gonna leave it here. Let's see. And here's a 1964 Austin Mini Cooper. I already have that one. And here we have the 2019 Fiat 500 Turbo. I'm going to pass on that casting. And let's see. More of the same. And more of the same here. Alright guys, I'm going to pick these Matchbox up and I'm going to head down to another store. Alright guys, so I'm here at a Target. And as you can see, it looks like they just dumped some Hot Wheels in here. I'm gonna look through them because there's some other collectors over there. So I'm gonna pause the video and then I'm gonna show you what I found when I get home. Alright guys, so I'm back home. As you saw in the video, I couldn't record because there were a few other collectors there and I didn't want to miss out on some of the castings that I'm about to show you. They're all end case, so I hope you guys like them. So I picked up this cool Mercedes-Benz 500E. Check that out. It's got some nice details on the taillights. It's got some nice detail on the headlights, the grille. Very, very nice. I also picked up this awesome 1994 Bugatti Eb110 Ss. Check this out, guys. It's got some pretty cool detail on the back and on the front as well. Very, very cool. I also picked up the 1970 Toyota Celica. Really love this color. It's a teal color, or at least that's what it looks like to me. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. I love the tampo work on it. Definitely one of my favorite castings of this year. I also picked up this awesome 2015 Mazda Mx5 Miata. Check this out, guys. It's got that pretty cool racing stripe right on the hood. Love the tampo work on the sides there. It says Mazda here, it says Hot Wheels there. It's got a pretty cool spoiler. It lacks some detail on the back, but that's okay. That's an easy fix. So very, very cool. This was the regular treasure hunt, if I'm not mistaken, a case or two ago. So very, very cool. I also picked up this Toyota Land Cruiser. This is new to market, by the way, guys. It's got that spare tire on the back. Lacks some detail on the tail lights, but that's okay. It's got some pretty cool wheels. It's got some very nice detail on the headlights. It's got that little moonroof. Very cool. I also picked up the X-Jet from the X-Men. This one comes with a cool little stand. Very cool. I also picked up this awesome 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. I love the Raptor in this color, man. Check out the tamper work. It lacks a little detail on the headlights, but that's okay. It does kind of make up for it on the taillight detail. Very, very cool. It also has a cool moonroof. Very, very nice casting. I also picked up this cool 1967 Oldsmobile 442 with a Golf livery. Check this out, guys. Lacks some detail on the headlights and the tail lights, but that's okay. Still a very nice casting. I also picked up this awesome 1952 Chevy from the Flame series. As you can see, it's got some golden brown flames. Lacks a little detail on the tail lights. That's to be expected. It also lacks some detail on the headlights. Very, very cool casting. I also picked up this awesome La Troca, now in white. Check out that side step right there. And check out that rear bumper. Very, very cool. Personally, I like the black one better. So here they are for you to compare. So as you can see, the black one is much, much better. Even the wheel choice on the black one is better. At least in my opinion. You guys might have a different opinion, which is fine. But, you know, personally, I like this black one better. Let me know what you guys think. I also picked up this awesome 1949 Ford F1. This is not the Super Treasure Hunt, unfortunately. But check this out, guys. It's a very, very cool casting. It does lack some detail on the headlights and the taillights. Love the tamper work on it. Very, very cool. I'm definitely going to swap out the wheels. I'm going to put some white wall Real Rider wheels on it to make it stand out a little bit more. Yeah, but this truck is absolutely amazing, guys. I also picked up this awesome 1955 Chevy from the Flying Customs. And these are all the cars in the set. Feel free to pause the video if you'd like to see what cars come in the set. Personally, I do not care for any of the other cars. This is the only one that I liked. There's only one of these per case. So if you guys find this one, make sure you guys grab it. Do not let it go, guys. I also found this awesome custom 67 Pontiac Firebird Hot Wheels ID. This one's really cool. Comes in a cool Zamak color. Very cool casting. So I'm very excited about this one, guys. Very cool. And last but not least, guys, I found this awesome delivery truck with the Golf livery decals. I'm very happy I found it. You know, this one's pretty hard to find. So this casting is very popular amongst collectors. The fact that it comes with that Golf livery, can't ask for anything more. Very, very cool. The only thing I don't like about these castings is that the chassis are made out of plastic. Alright guys, that is all I have to show you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. Happy hunting. God bless. Deuces.